Hello everyone, I am Lakshya Sharma from class 9th. Today, my group and I are going to present a video on the topic AI, which is artificial intelligence, and how can it be a revolutionary step towards the technology. So I am going to tell you how was AI originated. So the idea of inanimate objects coming to life as intelligent beings has been around for a long time. The ancient Greeks had myths about robots, and Chinese and Egyptian engineers built automatons. The beginnings of modern AI can be traced to classical philosophers' attempts to describe human thinking as a symbolic system. But the field of AI wasn't formally founded until 1956 at a conference at a Dartmouth College in Hanover, New Hampshire, where the term artificial intelligence was coined. But achieving an artificially intelligent being wasn't so simple. After several reports criticizing progress in AI, government funding and interest in the field dropped off. A period from 1974 to 1980 that became known as the AI winter. The field later revived in the 1980s when the British government started funding it again, in part to compete with efforts by the Japanese. The field experienced another major winter from 1987 to 1993, coinciding with the collapse of the market for some of the early general purpose computers and reduced government funding. But the accomplishment has been controversial, with artificial intelligence experts saying that only a third of the judges were fooled and pointing out that the bot was able to dodge some questions by claiming it was an adolescent who spoke English as a second language.
As we all know that a normal human brain has 100 billion neurons which connect the entire human body through other neuron cells and collect the information. It tells us the brain about the problems there. It also works in the same way artificial intelligence works. It is designed with a neural network altogether which further connects with all the network of the world and gather the information to the memory. A normal computer follows a command and it just executes it. But an artificial intelligence starts doing its work much earlier than normal computers and it identifies its own mistake by changing its code on its own. No matter how great artificial intelligence is, but it is created by human beings. Now, artificial intelligence is still in its developing phase and a lot of research has to be done. But it is estimated that at its peak level, artificial intelligence will develop into such a form that it will be 20 times more intelligent than an average human being.
How is AI useful in our life and for the world in the field of technology? AI is also used in the agriculture industry extensively. Robots can be used to plant seeds, fertilize crops, and administer pesticides, among a lot of other uses. Farmers can use a drone to monitor the cultivation of crops and also collect data for analysis. AI can be used extensively in the healthcare industry. It is applicable in automated operations, predictive diagnostics, preventive interventions, precision surgery, and a host of other clinical operations. Some individuals predict that AI will completely reshape the healthcare landscape for the better.